remember, your eyebrows aren't twins, they're sisters. So as long as you're not walking around here with cousins, you good, girl, period. It's your girl Samantha K here, back with another video. If you all can hear like a noise, that's my fan. I'm so sorry, but your girl not trying to overheat, so I gotta have some fan up in here, okay? But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you all my eyebrow routine. So let's not waste any time, let's move right into today's video. So I'm gonna start just by brushing my eyebrows up. Every time I do my brows, I like to clean them up first. It just looks better when it's smooth and, you know, I don't see any hair coming in. I like it better that way. I'm going in with my Anastasia shade Ebony. So first I like to start off by taking my brush and just wiping off that excess product, just because I like my brush to be a little thin, and usually when it's thick it smudges on my brow and I don't like how that looks. I like to start back here, and I like to go ahead and skip over this part. I do this part last just so I can fade it into the brow so it can look more natural. I like to go in the upwards motion and then bring it back down just so it can create that arch. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, we're going to go in with that concealer and clean everything up. So in the end, everything will just blend beautifully. And as y'all can see, I didn't wipe the product, so the top looks really smudgy. So that's that smudge that I'm talking about. It doesn't look, it like kind of looks really cakey. So every time I don't smudge the brush, every time I don't like wipe the brush, it comes out looking like that. And that's not what I want. I'm gonna go ahead and just do light strokes just to fade out that front part. I'm gonna go in and just brush that out. I don't know if it's just me, but I have that one brow that gives me the most trouble, like the most trouble, and it's always this one. Because I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have like a cut here. I've been having this cut since I was little, but it's a cut right there, and it doesn't grow hair here, so I kind of like brush my hair over it just so it can like cover it up, because it kind of looks like a slash. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I like to start by making like a line in the middle, just so I know where it meets, where they meet each other. I don't know if it's just me, or like if you have like really bad eyesight like me, like it's so hard doing your eyebrows. I have to like focus on them things, and it's like my eyes just can't, my eyes just don't do it. They just can't do it. They just can't focus, okay? I need contacts or something. Cause girl, I just can't keep doing this. I definitely know I got that 20/20. And I got that 20/20 vision, baby. I'm gonna brush like some of that product up. If you're doing the top of your brow, I would definitely recommend to do like a shade that's more of your complexion, because if you do like a lighter color, if you don't blend it out good enough, then you know you might get that like light cast, and we don't want highlighted eyebrows. We don't. You know, a little highlighted brow is okay, you know, don't get me wrong, but I'm saying like if you can still see the concealer over your makeup, like if it's like a strong highlight, that's no. For me, I don't like that. But you know, girl, if you like that highlighted brow, you know, no shade. Do what you gotta do. Because you know, everybody likes it different. Everybody's face is different. So it's really totally up to you. In my opinion, I don't like that. So I usually like to, if I can't find a shade that's like matches my skin tone, I just make sure to blend as much as possible. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take, it's kind of like a mascara for my brow, and I'm just going to put it towards the end. Okay guys, so this is how my brows came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and come back. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below, turn on those post notifications, and comment what you'd like to see next. Until next time, bye.